Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin now by proofing the yeast so it can leaven reliably. Once foamy, you'll add it to the dry mix. Combine 3 cups flour, 1/2 cup sugar, and 1 tsp salt, then incorporate 2 eggs and 2 tablespoons softened butter. Mix until the dough forms a shaggy mass, then knead for 5-8 minutes until elastic. Make sure to adjust with 1-2 tablespoon water or flour to reach a slightly tacky, not sticky. Feel because that balance controls final texture. Once the dough has doubled after the first rise, you punch it down to equalize gases and roll it out to a 3/4 thickness. This control gives even crumb. Cut donut rings and let them proof again for 15-20 minutes so they puff and stay tender. Meanwhile, heat oil to 350 degrees F and monitor with a thermometer. Once ready, fry 45-60 seconds per side until golden. Make sure to fry in small batches so oil temperature stays steady, preserving color and texture. You finish by draining each donut on a rack to avoid soggy bottoms. Once slightly warm, dip in glaze or dust with sugar so the coating sets evenly. For a basic glaze, whisk 1 cup powdered sugar with 2-3 tablespoon milk and 1 tsp vanilla until smooth, then dip and let excess drip off. If donuts turn out dense, remember one key fix. Check proofing time and reduce kneading intensity. Overworking develops too much gluten, and underproofing prevents proper rise, so correct those immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.